So what is next? How do you continue your education? Well, first, do not stop at this point. You have three amazing options to continue your journey to learning Quranic Arabic, to become a master of Quranic Arabic. Option number one is self-paced learning. Are you self-disciplined? Are you motivated? Are you structured? Do you have a regular schedule? Can you spend 15 to 20 minutes every day consistently? Then option number one for you is to visit the QuranAcademy.tv and sign up for the monthly subscription. You will get unlimited access to my video lectures, PDFs, quizzes, and tests for easy Quranic Arabic series and Quranic linguistics textbooks 1, 2, and 3. It's a nice and easy learning platform. The monthly cost, as of today, we are in April of 2026, it's only $20 per month. When you go through that platform, you will watch a video lesson. You will download the PDF to complete your homework and the lesson. Then you will take a quiz. And before you take the quiz, you can check your answers using the online answer keys. Then you take the quiz, and then you can post questions and comments, and I will respond, or some ustadh will respond to your questions. It's a great way to learn at your own pace, at your own convenience. Option number two, if you like live classes, you can join live classes taught by me and other instructors, such as my son Bilal Qadi. And here's the link to access the schedule. Go to this link here, and you can see the schedule and sign up for classes that are currently being offered. Please keep in mind that not all classes are offered all the time. That's why if you want all classes, then self-paced learning will be the best option for you. And you can also get certified once you complete the course. And there's also a teacher training track available. If you're an Arabic teacher and you wish to get certified, there is a teacher training track available. The third option is if you like live on-site classes in a masjid, an Islamic center, at an institute, at a school or college. Here's what you do. You contact your local imam, teacher, ustadh, or shaikh, and you ask them, can you teach Easy Quranic Arabic series? Easy Quranic Arabic series is, as the name suggests, it's easy. Any shaykh, ustaz, teacher, imam should be able to teach it. I can provide them the resources that they need to teach. I can provide them quizzes, video lessons. I can also certify them. I also provide free teacher training and certification if your imam or sheikh or ustaz or local teacher is interested. I'll be happy to work with them. All you have to do is give them my contact information, give them this email address, quraniclinguistics@gmail.com, and I'll take it from there. Here in the Dallas area, there's a couple places that are teaching my books right now. Mass in Richardson, Plano Masjid. We'll be teaching soon, inshallah, and others will be teaching as well. And if you're not sure about your level, you can take the free placement test by using this link here. Master Quran in Arabic. I've put together a powerful, time-tested, proven curriculum that is liked by teachers as well as students. It's taught in many parts of the world. Many institutes are using it, schools and colleges, alhamdulillah. And here's a quick overview of the beginner levels. You've got these books that you can use to complete your beginner level Quran and Arabic studies. And here are the intermediate ones. Easy Quranic Arabic series, books 2A and 2B, and the story of the Quran, Easy Introduction to Quranic Sciences. This book you can do later. And then here are the advanced levels, Quranic Linguistics, which goes into Tafsir Lughawi. It's more technical, more challenging, and more amazing, more fruitful. It's powerful stuff for people who are aspiring to be Islamic scholars, imams, sheikhs, mufti, faqih, or teacher of any Islamic or Quranic or Arabic science or discipline. And there are other courses I also teach here that you can learn more about. To start your journey, go to quraniclinguistics.com/learn. والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.